This is the virtual tour of 900 Wescott Square, apartment 103 here in Eagan, Minnesota, 55123. It's March 16th, 2016. As you come into the unit, you see the entry buzzer there to let your guests in. Closet around the corner here. Nice big closet to hang your coats. We'll pan back through the area. Everything in this video looks smaller than in real life. This room is about 24 feet by about 12 feet. And I know in the video it looks a lot smaller. We'll walk up here. Just kind of give a quick pan. Use the kitchen right when you walk in. And there's the door we just came in. Pan back around again. Breakfast bar. Small balcony. If you're a smoker, that's where you're going to be doing your smoking. Overlooking the parking area. There is a 2-car garage underneath, and that's where you'll be parking your cars. Panning back around. This room is either an office or it can be used as a bedroom as well. It's got French doors leading to this side, to the den. But we'll take a peek at the kitchen. Fire extinguisher, hope you never use it. Nice faucet. Nice under the sink. Not those crappy sinks that are falling apart. Clean dishwasher. Stove. Like brand new. Nice clean oven. Even in the hood fan we have the fire stop, fire suppressors. Kind of a granite look. It's actually a tile, or it might be granite squares. It's not solid granite on the tops. Freezer, refrigerator, everything sparkles with all the shelves working. That's the kitchen area. We're going to pan back around from this side again. Kind of see it. People tend to like the kitchen. It's about 15 feet by 14 feet, that kitchen. Plenty of countertops and a lot of cabinets. Coming down the hallway, we'll just kind of take a peek at these washers and dryers. Full-size washer and dryer. These are the Samsung units. Good machines. The first bedroom, and like I say, some people use this for a den. It's got French doors leading out into the living room. If you want more privacy, you can put the static cling stuff on those glass to kind of make it a little more private. Everything's nice red oak. This bedroom, by the way, is about 8 feet by 10 feet, and then it's got about a 5 foot by 2 foot closet in addition to that. This closet goes to the furnace. And it does have central air. Coming into what we consider the master bedroom, it's about 11 by 12. Plus it's got about an 8 foot by 2 foot closet. And I'll back up here so you can see it does have a sliding glass patio door. You can grill out there, or there's a little city park. You can see that right outside your door. If you have kids, it's just let them right out the back door here. Coming into the third bedroom. This bedroom's about 13 by 9. Mini blinds on the window overlooking the park again. Nice red oak closet doors. We can open these mini blinds to see a little bit. And see the park with a walking path right in the back. Linen closet right here. We got 5 shelves. Nice decent sized closet. Bathroom. Hopefully the fan doesn't make too much noise. Double vanity. Oblong toilet. clean jacuzzi tub. All tile. We'll give you a shower curtain when you're here. And we'll just kind of walk out the bathroom here, back to the kitchen area. Look at the kitchen from this side. Like I said, it's a nice big kitchen. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. And I'll pan back around here to see the whole thing once again. And that is the virtual tour of 900 Wescott Square, apartment 103 here in Eagan, Minnesota.